out of Paradise, Newfoundland. Your first look at the Tough Truck course here today. The red Chevy's on the gas through the roller section. Andrew Morgan looking pretty smooth. Whoa, that's rough on that red Chevy. Brandon Hitchcock. Looks like Andrew Morgan will be the winner. The Island Paving Chevy will come home second in that one here at Eastbound Park. The Chevy versus the Jeep here in the Tough Truck competition. Once again, how many of you like the red truck? How many of you like the white Jeep? Here we go. Freewheeling with the throttle down. You can hear the RPM come up on the white Jeep. That is Andrew Morgan at the controls. Sounds like that Jeep is missing a little bit. Whoa, heads up in the corner. Here comes the Chevy. They are moving here in the Tough Trucks. Oh, yeah. Let's hear it for the red truck. How about it for the white Jeep? There goes the tailgate. That tailgate is scattered. Brandon Hitchcock out of Paradise, Newfoundland in the red Chevy. Looks like your winner is going to be Andrew Morgan in the white Jeep.